In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work with custom vehicle categories on your website. So I'm on the inventory page right now. If we look, we have this categories section in our filter bar. Right now there's nothing in there, but if we go back to our dashboard, we go into Inventory Manager and Categories, we can add an unlimited amount of categories in here to break down our inventory. So I'm going to add in trucks and 4x4. I'm just going to use these two for this example. And we can delete and edit these as we'd like. And now if I go back into my inventory and I refresh the page, you're going to see we have these two categories. Now I haven't added any vehicles to them yet, so they're not going to bring up anything. But if we go back to our dashboard and go to Add Edit Vehicles, I'm just going to edit a few vehicles here. So I'll take this truck, I'll go into Edit, and you'll see this categories section right at the top. So I'm just going to go here and we can add 2 categories per vehicle. So I'm going to add these to this one and save the changes. Maybe I'll do a couple more. Let's see, I'll do this Jeep. It's 4x4, but not a truck. So I'll just do 4x4 and save changes. And now if I go back to my inventory and refresh the page, now I go to 4x4 and I can see I have the truck and the Jeep. And if I go to trucks, this is the only one I marked for trucks, so that's going to show up. It's a good way to further allow users to search your inventory based on specific categories that you can decide on. And another good thing we can do with categories, we go back to our dashboard here. We'll go into Edit Site. We can link any buttons or links on our website to go to specific categories. So for example, I'm just going to drop in a menu bar on my page here. This one here with 2 items. And I would change this icon and change the text. So for this one, I'll do trucks. And right down here, you can see the category option. So I'm going to link that to the trucks. And I'd go through here and find a truck icon. I'm not going to do that for this tutorial. And then this one, we do the same thing, 4x4, and we'd link it to our 4x4 category and change the icon and apply changes. Now if we save this page and publish, now we go down to our new menu bar and I'll click on 4x4 and it's going to bring me to the inventory page right into that category. So that's a useful way to use categories to further customize your website. And that's all for this tutorial.